Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can play any variant of chess on chess.com. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I have created an account and I'm logged in currently to chess.com. And the way that you can play standard chess is you just go over here into the play section, click on that, and here you can select whether to play online, play a computer, play with a friend, tournaments, or chess variants. You can select whichever one you want. If you want a standard version, you select play online or computer or a friend. I'll select computer for now. Then for computers, you need to choose which bot you want, select the side you start with, select the mode that you want, and then just click play. And now you can play chess with a bot. You can do the same with people, however, you have less things to set up. And you can even go and click chess variants and play any variant of chess that you would like. As you can see, you have four-player chess, spell chess, doubles, chess with checkers, duck chess, fog of war, crazy house, giveaway. You can do whatever you want. You also have atomic. And yeah, there's a lot of variants which you can check out, but that is pretty much it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.